Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm here for an unboxing of the July DegustaBox. A lot has changed since last July when we did our July unboxing because at that time we did not even have kitchen counters. Now we have kitchen counters, but our kitchen is, in our home is still not finished. We're almost there, but still, it's like so much to do, especially little punch list stuff. So open me and join me, eat me. Let's see what's in here. I'll just grab out our inserts. Okay, so this is nice. My husband likes the regular ones of these. This must be brand new. Yep. Goat's chocolate caramel creams. The chocolate treat that won't melt in the heat. Hey, that's great. And you can find them at Walmart. And then we have Fire Up and Get Ready for Some Serious Barbecue, Uncle Dougie's No Crap, Nothing Artificial, No GMOs, No High Fructose Corn Syrup, No Preservatives, winner of the American Royal World Series of Barbecue, small batch handcrafted quality. And then we have Matcha Zen Cafe Blend. And we have a recipe for a matcha milkshake. So we've got that. Let's go on and see what we have inside. And if you'd like to try a DegustaBox for only $9.99, and that includes everything, you're not going to pay separate shipping and handling or anything. It's half price. You can find a link on my blog, and this is what you would get in your July box. So we have cheese doodles by Wise, baked puffs, extra cheesy flavor. We have 4 bags of those inside. A little bit. So we have 4 bags of those inside, and these retail for 50 cents each for a 1.25 ounce bag. Wise extra cheesy cheese doodles deliver even more cheese into every doodle for a rich, creamy flavor that will satisfy your cheese cravings. Discover lots of great things in the DegustaBox. I just had someone over recently and they were raving about a barbecue sauce that I had, and of course it came from a DegustaBox. And we found a mustard we really like. Another great product. This is Sir Kensington's. We've done their ketchup and I think mustard before. This is Chipotle mayonnaise made with free-range eggs, non-GMO. That's great. That sounds like something my family would like. And that retails for $4.99. Sir Kensington's Chipotle mayonnaise is made with the highest quality non-GMO ingredients like certified humane free-range eggs, 100% sunflower oil, and chipotle peppers. Okay, we have the Matcha Zen Cafe Blend. This retails for $17.80. So when you pay $9.99 for a box, you are getting a great value. Alia's Matcha Zen Cafe Blend is a sweet, delicate mixture of culinary-grade matcha and pure cane sugar packed into single-serving packets. Suited for matcha lattes and smoothies, it provides all of the same nutritional benefits of matcha, even for those with a sweet tooth. So $17.80 on that. Okay, this is, and you're not getting like little trial size. This is a big 18-ounce bottle. Okay, this is Uncle Dougie's. This is the product of the month, an American Royal World Series of Barbecue winner, and yeah, Kansas City knows a thing or two about barbecue. With a tiny bit of sweet, a touch of smoky, and a little snappy zing, you'll want to put Sweet and Snappy's thick, rich, stick-to-your-rib sauce on everything. My kids eat barbecue sauce on almost everything, so this is great. Small batch barbecue sauce, sweet and snappy. Okay, free-range turkey. This is Chomps. Retails for $1.99 a stick. Chomps original turkey sticks have 10 grams of protein and are made with 100% free-range turkey and with no hidden nasties, no sugar, no gluten, no dairy, no soy, no nitrates, no antibiotics, no hormones, no MSG, no artificial preservatives or coloring, Chomp's Original Turkey Sticks are non-GMO, product verified, Whole30 approved, keto, paleo friendly, and certified gluten-free. So you can also use Degusta15 for 15% off and free shipping at chomps.com if you'd like to order these turkey sticks. We have low acre, cocoa and milk, crispy cocoa wafers with delicate milk cream filling, made in Italy. And these retail for $1.29 a piece. We have 2 in here. So this is the intense cocoa taste of 3 light crispy wafers. They form a union with the tender flavor of 2 layers of delicate high quality low acre milk cream filling. Full size product. This is Lee Kum Kee plum sauce, and this is really good this time of year with chicken and stuff. So even if you just dip it, if you grilled chicken breast, maybe like some of my kids love to dip in stuff like this. Lee Kum Kee plum sauce is made from quality Chinese plums, ginger, and chili, perfect for stir frying and dipping. An excellent dip for roast ducks, roast meats, egg rolls, and other appetizers. This retails for $3.98, and the cookies, the wafer cookies, $1.29 a package. Okay, and then we have the Goats' Candy Company, a chewy chocolate caramel with cream center, a fun summer chocolate treat that doesn't melt with the heat. It's a 5th generation candy company manufacturing quality candy for over 120 years, proudly made in the USA, nut-free, trans fat-free, exclusively available at a Walmart near you. So, can't wait to try these. Like I said, my husband has always enjoyed the regular ones. They retail for $2.48 a bag. And that bag is 10 ounces. And that is what we have in that, guys. But you see the incredible value that you get there. So on the back, there'll also be a recipe for Uncle Dougie's gluten-free sweet and spicy bison balls. And here's everything that comes in the July DegustaBox. Again, there'll be the link where you can purchase yours for half price for $9.99. Let me know if you try it. Let me know if you have a favorite product. If you did receive this DegustaBox, what's your favorite product? And if you are going to order, let me know what you think of it when you get it. And I'd like to hear that. Please like, subscribe, and share to our channel. We're going to be having a really great giveaway coming up in addition to the regular giveaways we have, which are great. But it's for a Milky pot, which is like an Instant Pot, but it has even more accessories with it, and it's a better value. And there's been comparisons where the Milky pot even gives you more than you get with the Instant Pot. So we're going to be making some recipes in it. I'm going to be running a giveaway for one of our blog readers, our YouTube channel followers, to win this pot. So make sure you stay tuned to our channel, subscribe, click the notifications so you know when that's going to start. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a wonderful day and a great week. Bye-bye now.